than I expected. It was just shoo. And the car, we couldn't even see it was split in two until we walked up here because there was just so much dirt in the air. We got up here, half a blue car, half a yellow car. Still can't find the witch.
That's because it's in 1,000 tiny pieces. After cutting a slice through the car, the solid steel Superplow disintegrated on impact with the concrete barrier.
That was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I mean, we do a lot of explosions on the show, we do a lot of car crashes, but I have never seen a rocket-powered Superplow cut a car in half. And we did it. We replicated the results of this myth. It's still busted, but we replicated the results.
So this, my friends, is the hood of our former Target car, cut perfectly in half right down the line. Now, even though we succeeded in cutting the car in half, this myth is still busted because this is the ramped up Superplow version, not the sort of energy you could run into on the street every day.